All right, good afternoon, everyone. It is 3:14 p.m. and it looks like the market is up again. I just recorded a video prior to this one, and thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share on your social media channels. If you're new to my channel, thank you. I think you're going to get a lot from it. Want to keep this channel free, but I'd like to monetize through YouTube, so YouTube is going to pay me. It doesn't cost anything for you except a like and then a subscription and maybe a notification. All right, so far right now, we're getting a little bit of resistance here. So let's see where our resistance is right here. All right. Well, let's take a look at the numbers prior here. We have 3 stacking imbalances. If we could go through it once, I think we'll be okay. Started with this big candle here. If I do see the volume pick up, I am going to go long. So I'm going to get armed here. And I'm going to go 1 tick above this. So let's see what happens here. We had a bunch of positive delta. Went up. So we may retrace back, and that's fine. We have a step in the profile right here. I trade with a 10 tick stop and a 20 tick target, which is this. Always have it whenever I put it. It's called the OCO bracket order. When one gets hit, the other gets canceled. It's on the server, my broker's server. That's where I keep it. I don't keep any local orders on my PC. Looks pretty good. We're just bouncing a little bit. We came up here fairly quickly. This is not good. We need to see a little more delta here. All right. This could be dangerous. We have a little bit of a divergence. All right. And we're back. Little divergence right here before. Just waiting for a good push, and that could happen. And if it does, let's take a look to the left. We have this big candle. So I'm thinking 201.25. We could see a little bit of resistance right about here. All right. Now keep the emotions in check. Don't play with scared money. Always use a stop and a target, especially if you're scalping. You could have the catastrophic failure in your platform or the internet could stop. It happened to me. I created a video on it. All right, I was lucky. Like I said, only thing I could lose would be hit my stop. It could always go the other way too. It could hit your target. Or what happened with me is I was able, the connection created again, and I was able to get out with a tick. I didn't want to keep the trade going because I lost that time. I couldn't really read the order flow. So it's just better out because it's important. I'm keeping everything in track here, keeping all this. If you see my prior videos, you'll see a lot of numbers that I keep track of. Like right now, it's just, it's in between this candle here. I'm not really concerned with anything. I'm not in the trade right now. I'm trying to do a breakout trade. This is all good. It's building up from volume. I can move my trade down if I wanted. Right now it's way below where my entry is. Start seeing a push of volume. This little delta number, this 620 becomes, let's say, negative 400. I'll be looking at it, and it may actually happen. You see how these numbers are getting smaller now? We may have a retrace back up. We'll see. We have 3 digits to 2 digits, 3. We'll see. All right, let's see what comes back. Any buying come back? Yes, we had 87 buyers. 100 buyers, 101 buyers. It's going to be a significant level because you're right by the 9 EMA. Retail likes to buy here. Right? We're way below the VWAP. That's the VWAP. All right. 85, 96, 94. 87. Some more sellers here. These numbers coming up, coming down. They come down, we got more buyers. Right? It did. To 88, to 90, to 87. It was 94 before, now it's 110. So they're buying here. All right. See if we hold a support there. It actually came up. That looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to move right above this high node. Buying imbalances, we haven't hit that back yet. This may show support, all right, which will keep me about 1 point below, which would be about half my stop. I'm good with that. 87, it's just bouncing. 202.81, we're looking good. 46, and we have 6 back. So that's good. So all we need is a little push of volume. POC is right in, the point of control is right up on top here. That's good. We have 100. We're still coming back a little bit. If this becomes a little more positive, we'll be okay. We're still holding the support right about here. You know, we did have buyers before. All the buyers were in here. So I think we could pop 192. We really didn't get anything here, right? It did come up, but we didn't really get any orders, any market orders to come in here. We do have a little, this is kind of weird, right? When you see one positive, why here? 96.75, right? Why do you have positive delta here? That's good. So if the delta comes up to, let's say, 200, that would even be better. 280, 76, 141, that's good. We're still holding support. 149, that's good. 147, I'm okay with that. 69, 62, I like that. We got buyers coming in here as well. Okay, that's even better. I'd like to see this become more positive. 221 is decent. 212, yeah, about 9, but that's okay. That's okay. We got a little push here. And let's see if we get any sellers here. That's what I'd like to see. Good. So we're going to continue to go up. We're just doing little base hits here. All right. We got to get past the open. We get past the open, I think that we're going to have a good shot. So we're by the open. We're above the open. Took that for another 1.25. We had a little resistance here, and you have this big, remember that's those selling imbalances? If you see my other video, you'll see it. You got to keep track of all this stuff. You got to be in the game. I got to put your head in the game. I got to be one with the market. Get 8 minutes on this video. It is 3:22. I'm going to stop the video here. Please like, subscribe, share, comment if you like this kind of commentary. And comment if you have a question on the video. I will answer it. And I want to, this weekend, I'm going to look into streaming, and maybe we'll do a stream like a Monday at the start of the week, sometime in the morning, like maybe 10 o'clock or so. Or maybe we'll just do a question and answer till maybe 10. I like the market to figure itself out, over the weekend and all the news that may come out or whatnot. And then we'll get together. But let me know if you want to see that. Depending on what kind of volume I get, viewership, maybe that'll be a permanent thing. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Share your sites, your social sites. Let's build a community. All right, thank you, and I'm going to log back in after this video. And I'll see you on the next one.